Hey guys, SMP Productions. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this awesome custom Rajesh Kootrapali minifigure from The Big Bang Theory. If you guys don't know, Big Bang Theory is a television sitcom from America and it's really funny. You guys should check it out soon. A few years ago, Lego did make a Big Bang Theory set from Lego Ideas. The people who have missed out on that have a chance to see this video and get themselves a Rajesh Kootrapali. My next video will be a custom Howard Wolowitz. You guys can go see that soon. And yeah, let's get into this figure right now. So, if you guys haven't noticed, I've used the hairpiece from Bruce Banner from the Infinity Wall Lego set. Pretty neat, pretty awesome. I think it suits Rajesh Kootrapali perfectly. Then the face print's actually Aladdin's from the Disney minifigure series line, first series. So yeah, because you know it kind of suits Raj, and because he's kind of witty, and when he shares his jokes or shrewd comments about women, you know, like he can't talk to women, but he's definitely, you know, loving all of them. So yeah, Rajesh Kootrapali's face prints and hairpiece. Now, if you guys didn't notice, I've actually used Neville's body from Harry Potter 2007 minifigure. So if you guys see, it's something that was something similar what Rajesh would wear during the Big Bang Theory, and I've just kind of exchanged the hands from Aladdin and removed Neville's peach hands and kept a slightly darker tone onto it. Yeah guys, that's pretty much how I've made this set, the minifigure. And yeah, it's pretty awesome. So if you guys like this video, go see my upcoming one of Howard Wolowitz. Pretty simple again. Yeah, thank you for watching guys. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more content just like this one. See you guys later. Peace. Bye.